All right, these crates contain snacks. They're all labeled.
Understood. Let's check the seals.
They look good. This is the special order.
Okay, opening it.
Perfect. All secure.
Confirmed.
All right, team, let's get these boxes off the truck. Safety first.
Copy that. First one coming down.
Good. Stack them neatly by the yellow line.
Understood. Moving it now.
Pressure is steady. Keep the flow even to avoid bruising the snacks.
Understood. Rotating dispatch now.
Good. Let's get this section finished.
Almost done here. Ready for inspection. All right, starting the rinse now. Keep it steady.
Got it. Lifting this section for you.
Perfect. Rinsing the underbelly. Almost done.
Okay, lowering it back. Looks clean.
The subject is stable. Proceeding with the neural scan.
Confirmed. Monitoring the vitals.
I'm checking the implant site now.
Good. The readings are optimal.
Holia scanner, begin sequence. Scan initiated, grid is forming. Data layers are populating. Scan complete?
The pH levels are holding steady.
Good. I'll adjust the spray intensity.
Here, the machine extrudes the slabs onto the belt, ensuring uniform cuts.
The texture looks so smooth and consistent.
Exactly.
Look at that. Perfectly even extrusion? Yeah, the new settings are spot on. Check the grain alignment. It's flawless.
See how the marbling is consistent? That's our top grade.
Yes, I see. It's moving smoothly.
Good. Now, check the sensors on the control panel.
They're all green. Looks good.
Excellent. Keep monitoring.
Wow, this yield is way higher than I expected.
Yeah, the new automated cutters are a game changer.
Impressive. So no manual adjustments needed?
None. It's all optimized. Flow rate is steady, increasing pressure slightly.
Looks good. No clogs.
Good. Let's check the next batch.
Agreed. Monitoring texture.
This cut is at 38 degrees. Perfect.
Good. Let's check the next one.
Scanning now, holding at 37.8.
Excellent. Consistent temps.
This line is good to go. The meat's ready. Let's check the powder integration.
Flow rate is steady. The mix should be even.
Good. Let's pull up the specs on the tablet.
Looks optimal. The system is running efficiently.
Batch data looks stable. How are the capsules?
Consistent flow, no anomalies.
Good. Check the coating thickness.
They're within spec. This one is perfect.
Excellent. Keep monitoring. How's the inspection going?
So far, all clear. No defects.
Good. Keep a close watch.
Will do. This batch looks perfect.
The capsules are aligning perfectly now.
Good. I'm just adjusting the tension.
Throughput is up. Excellent work.
Thanks. It's all calibrated now. Extraction is almost complete.
Good. Keep the tension steady.
Placing it on the rack now.
Watch how the robotic arms handle the spine structures with such precision.
It's incredible. The speed and accuracy are flawless.
Exactly. Each placement is exact and true fusion of human design and machine efficiency.
This one looks good. The texture is uniform.
Confirmed. The scan data is perfect. No anomalies.
Good. Let's check the next one.
Data is logged. Next batch is ready.
Line is running smoothly.
Confirm. Throughput is optimal.
Good. Keep monitoring for any irregularities.
Will do. Batch numbers look consistent. Any quality flags?
No issues. The substance is stable and evenly distributed.
Good. Production speed is up 10%. Excellent. Let's check the next batch.
Flow rate looks optimal. Keep it steady.
Understood. Leveling as it fills.
Good. The system confirms stable parameters.
It's settling well. Almost full.
Excellent. Ready for the next step. See the seal? It's perfect. The machine is calibrated just right.
Yes, it looks great. No leaks at all.
Exactly. We're hitting our daily target with this efficiency.
Impressive. Let's keep this pace. Line speed looks good. Check seals on the next batch.
Will do. Initiating speed test.
Confirmed. They're passing inspection.
All good here?
These bags are ready for palletizing.
Good. Check the label and confirm the count. Label is correct. Lifting 1 to verify.
Weight feels right. They match the manifest.
Excellent. Log in and proceed. Remember, seal these powder bags tightly to prevent any contamination.
Understood. This batch feels very secure.
Good. Double check the labels for accuracy.
Will do. We're ahead of schedule. This one looks good. Seal is tight.
Agreed. Let's check the next one.
Perfect. All labels are clear.
Great work. Quality is excellent.
Here's the full body protection powder batch. Note the seal and label.
It looks good. Let me check the barcode.
It's all verified, ready for the next step.
Excellent. I'll log it now.